Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to cornrow. I'll be showing you exactly what you see on the video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and returning. Thank you guys, I really appreciate your support. So firstly, I will use a gel. I'm using this holding gel to make my lines straight and clean. So I'm using this holding gel to make my lines very neat and clean, and I'm gonna be using a styling gel just to hold the hair. I like this styling gel because it holds the hair really tight and it stays longer on your hair. But the only problem is those white, it's like white dandruff that comes with it, like after some few days when you have the gel. So firstly, you take small portion of hair and then you move it aside and turn around and hold the two other parts of the hair that you've taken, and then you move it around. So the more you cornrow, the more you take more portion of hair, so to make your cornrows more bigger. So that is it guys. So I'd like you to follow the video and tell me how it goes from a beginner friendly to advanced. I'd say my lines here were not I didn't divide them equally, like I didn't section them equally. But anyway, that's not the case. We are here to learn the cornrow. So the styling gel is also helping me to hold the hair as I'm cornrowing, to hold all the excess hair. So this is how you do it guys, just follow the steps. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be happy to answer it. So I've been gone for a while. Forgive me for not being so consistent, but I am back now. I'll be uploading as much as I can. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you really enjoy it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I really appreciate your support and thank you for subscribing. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section below. So that is how you cornrow guys. This is the way to cornrow. This is the easiest way to cornrow for beginners. You keep on repeating the same step all over again. If you get the first part, you'll get through all the parts. So this is another technique of cornrowing. Otherwise, if you are interested in another one, I'll be showing you in the next videos. This is how you can cornrow. This is the easiest way to learn how to cornrow, like without complicating hair, how the hair are. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep on watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. You can watch until the end. I really appreciate your support. Just do as I do. Keep on repeating the same steps. Thank you. So guys, I would really like to say thank you for watching until this far. I really appreciate it, and I so hope you are learning something from the video. You are learning something from the video. You are learning how to cornrow. You are learning the steps. So yeah guys, thank you very much. I am so grateful, and I really appreciate the effort that you take to watch my videos. If you try it, please comment. Thank you guys so much for watching until this far. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.